Alright, just an update on the NAS. You can see I have it set up here. I'm not getting the smart for some reason. Everything is set up, so let me show you under storage, smart settings. I enabled it, and then there was nothing here, it was disabled. So I just went ahead and do 10C and 40C on here, but I'm still not getting anything. So other than that, I got the NAS working, and right now I'm actually running the photo prism. Is checking the albums, or it's rescanning the folder. So the CPU, it's only at 16.8%, and then the memory, it's only using about 5.5 gigs, as you can see there. So it's running pretty good, and those are my temperatures for the drives. Now, with this motherboard, when you first install it, your fans are going to be spinning very slow, and I wanted them to go as fast as I could. I think I need to get some faster fans for the NAS, because they seem a little bit on the slow flow. The way I was able to get all the temps down, because they were going pretty high, up more than that. When you go into the BIOS, you have to disable those fan options for the CPU and the case fan. Just disable it, and then they'll run full speed. So now everything is a lot cooler. So that's the one thing you want to do on this motherboard. The other thing you want to do is, let's see, set up wake up on LAN, and because you, for some reason, this motherboard, the power switch and the reset switch, they don't work, and I just verified that everything's connected correctly, but they just don't work for whatever reason. I sent I posted a message on their website, and not the website, but their YouTube channel, where they have that motherboard, to see if they have something to fix that. But I don't know. I'll post again if I ever hear from them back. So that's kind of annoying, because in order to turn the NAS on, I have to do a wake up alarm, and then you turn it off from here. So that one's okay, but I still want to be able to use the buttons if you need it, or need to tell somebody to literally turn it off for you or reset it. Um, that's not working. So it's kind of a weird thing. I don't know, but it's really annoying, because their other firewall computer is exactly the same. And for the longest time, when they wouldn't turn off, I thought it was something broken or what. But in the BIOS, you have those three options for the keep the system on all the time, off all the time, or last state, which is the weirdest thing ever. I just want to be able to use the buttons, and I do a last state, but if you turn it off and then you try to turn it on, it's not going to turn on. So I just want to bring that up, and so far it's working, but those, mainly the switch, is very annoying. So I do hope they have a fix for that. I know it wasn't on the last BIOS for the computer, it was still the same, so I don't know what the deal is with that, but it's extremely annoying to me. I've never seen any other systems do it, just these two, so hopefully no one else does it that way, but it's just really annoying. But anyway, I hope that helps.